That's Chevelle?
Yeah.
That's Skylar.
We're down here in Kevin's. What you call this, Kevin?
My toy house.
Oh yeah.
My playhouse.
We got some work right there. Oh yeah, I love to be playing with that.
We're down here in K Smooth's Playhouse.
What is that, a 71 or something? What is it?
68.
They're the old thing.
Oh yeah.
This was Cuz' old bike right
Right
here.
here.
That's a Vulcan.
Who is it?
That's my brother-in-law.
For sale.
Yeah. You want to get it?
For sale.
Yeah.
Was it 1700? I finally found that crown when I moved.
900.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I finally found it. It was up in the hat.
Yes, or 900.
You got it now?
No, I threw it away.
Oh, threw it away.
Yeah, how big is this garage?
26 for 26.
Let's see some.
Strick had one that's a little bit bigger.
His was 26 by 30.
Yeah, bathroom in his.
Yeah.
Yeah, put a bathroom in his.
That's the only thing I wish I had here.
What?
One of K Smooth's
Oh, yeah.
projects.
You got a plumbing though, shit. But I guess you got a sewer out there somewhere, isn't it?
Shit, I
We're clean out.
That's all I do.
Clean out up front though, ain't it?
Yeah.
Somebody trying to make a drag race car of this one.
Yeah, I see they got gauges down there. That shit, that's steel, man.
Yeah,
They got whole books about this thing. You can get a whole book, man, and buy every part.
Oh, I got them.
Yeah.
I got them.
They got the extra brake put in it. Yo, yeah.
Oh, I got this on a 5-year program. 5 years. So that's why I ain't gonna break the bank. I ain't break
In the Smooth garage.
I ain't gonna stress anything. I mean, it's 5 years. It's 5 years.
Yeah.
And if I had to go over, it's gonna go over.
It's just body.
Yeah. Yep.
It's a good workout one. He working on about shit.
Really.
That make years, but
You got a Vulcan for sale, y'all.
you know people that do certain work things too.
I mean, but the thing is, if you ain't got the loop, then I mean, it's a project. It's an ongoing project. You know.
But they popular though.
I see that air compressor he put in there look pretty good.
They got big boy.
That's a big boy, yeah. Plenty of air.
Was that an 80?
This is 60.
Man, you need a more air than that then.
This ain't a bad garage.
No, look at TV up
All
there.
cool.
See the TV behind you?
Oh yeah. Oh God,
Hey, so this was in the house. The wife went out of town. She went out of town. I just switched. She didn't know for probably about a month.
They go LED lights.
Yep.
That's what kind of jacket it is.
Yeah. What you jacket?
Jacket.
What you jacket? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They picked the whole thing up.
Thing up. Yeah.
So just to give you a demonstration, it ain't gonna be nothing but a second. Bam, like that. Like that. Demonstration.
You already got everything. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Dang.
That's it right there.
It's a good.
What kind of jacket is that?
Big blue.
Big blue?
Big blue.
Big blue.
And all you need is electric drill.
That an impact? Just electric drill? Big Blue. Motorcycle jack.
The only maintenance you have to do on this is take a grease gun and grease the bolt there.
And when it's turning. Yeah.
And
That's all
so it's the same as with your gold wing.
I can lift the gold wing, I can lift
great.
everything.
Mm-hmm.
That's great.
Yep.
Now this is what I need though first.
Yeah.
The garage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that heat in?
Especially all them
Heat
toys
in,
you got
AC?
now.
Oh yeah, that's great too.
And that damn old thing, I can't even get this
I would
damn
never
up.
be in the house.
Oh, really?
Nah.
It worked.
Look.
That
Be
heater.
out here playing. Oh yeah, I see this hot.
Oh, yeah.
Thing going out 80 degrees or better.
Well, but I just did that because I knew I was gonna be coming showing y'all here, but I'm gonna turn it off on the lead. But what I do is, normally I put those right there on top of the car. Those are pipe,
Yeah.
pipe insulation.
Yeah.
I put them down in there, and it stops the air from going out.
Down in where?
Inside the door or what?
Oh, on the top of the
Yeah.
Oh, on top of the door.
So yeah, so
Motor door.
I go from the ladder and it
Yeah.
stops the
Air
air.
from draft. The draft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the heat from going out
Yeah.
Yeah.
or coming in.
Yep.
I love that idea. I get that property beside me, I will have it.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, man, it's.
Big Blue
I don't,
Jack.
have to, I don't really have to get anything else. I do want a car lift to lift the whole damn car up, but that's $4,000. I don't want to throw out because I ain't got it. Just to be doing it on a lift.
Let's try some work. No shit. Right now.
Yeah, they're working now. Tomorrow I might.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm back.